Let's talk about the recently launched Lava smartphone Blaze 2 5G, with premium glass back design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56-inch HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 83.3% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 269 ppi pixel density, and with 90Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with the 0.08 megapixel camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel camera, video recording 2K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB expandable RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 76 by 8.45 mm, and it weighs around 203 grams, and the color options: glass black, glass lavender, glass blue, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava Blaze 2 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 36,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze 2 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.